बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। दिस इज़ साद छोटानी। उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। वीडियो में आपको खुशामदीद। एक लीडर की जो कामयाबी है या उसकी जो सक्सेस है, दैट इज़ डिटर्मिन्ड बाय हाउ सक्सेसफुली ही इज़ एबल टू मोबिलाइज पीपल एंड मोटिवेट पीपल टुवर्ड्स द अकॉम्प्लिशमेंट ऑफ द गोल। एंड फॉर दिस leaders use the power of inspiration, use the power of persuasion, positive persuasion towards people. And in this video I'm going to cover three very important tactics and a very simple tactics a leader can develop, practice within their leadership scope, and they can become an inspirational leader for their people, and that can really help them accomplish their goals. So the first one is lead by example. A leader should be recognized as a role model for the team, for the people. और यहाँ पर दो चीज़ें बहुत important हैं, वो ये कि जी leader should be recognized as a subject matter expert. That leader, whenever he is performing the task, is setting an example or becoming a role model for the people, is a credible source of information or is a credible resource कि लोग उनको उस पर ट्रस्ट करके can openly go and seek the support and help of the leader and could see him whenever the leader is telling or giving a command. People must recognize him as a subject matter expert. This helps them follow the command or follow the instruction of a leader quite effectively and quite easily. Because people reason and question whenever information is coming their way. So people question कि जी वो information क्या है and where it is coming from. So they must be able to answer these questions effectively कि जी where the information is correct and the person who is saying or telling that information is a credible source of information. So sometimes leader have to become an example by doing certain tasks their way and becoming a operational or a part or a participative part in the day-to-day activities of the work. That's the first. Number two, very important, a leader must form positive coalition with their peers and colleagues. अक्सर organizations में ऐसा होता है कि जी leaders have very conflicting relationship with other colleagues or other department heads or other managers sometimes. तो यहाँ पर for people to recognize you as an inspirational leader, they see your power and authority by your network, by the people you hang around with. So leader must form positive coalitions with other team heads, with other team leaders and HODs as well. So इस तरह the people recognize him as a credible source of information and they essentially want to follow that person. Number three, and that's extremely important, and that is the rational persuasion. Leaders should persuade people rationally in a way that there has to be something for them. And this is like a bargain, this is like a negotiation that's happening between leader and the people, that people would like to follow or work on things that benefits them. On the other hand, they know that they're working, their performance is going to be counted, but at the same time they want to have something for themselves as well, so that they can feel good about working on that particular task. It could be anything, it could be tangible, intangible reward, it could be recognition, it could be possibility for career growth, it could be a potential way of getting a reward or something like that. So there has to be some way of reaping some benefit for the team. तो आप ये बताएं, you must demonstrate as a leader rationally persuade people that whenever you are passing a commandment or or an advice, you must tell a few things which is positive for them, where they can feel good and feel inspired that okay, by the end of doing this task, I may be getting this reward, or I may be getting better in these 2-3 areas, or I may be unlocking these pinnacles. So these were three very basic tips for leaders to be inspiring, to be more charming, to be more appealing for their people. And I hope आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी, और अगर पसंद आई है तो please do comment, do like this video, and inshallah see you soon in another video.